Today we had our first 2024 117 Harley Davidson come in today as a Roadglide. Really pretty color combination. These bikes are really nice. I tell you, they're completely different than the 2023s. The power is unbelievable on these things, but we really appreciate Chad bringing the bike over, and we're going to give you a little taste of this this bike and the way it sounds. Stay tuned. Tell me a little bit about this one. This one's a special.
This is one off. It was going to be green on chrome, but they went ahead and swapped out the 10s on a whiskey red so I could have it green on black.
Oh, it sure is pretty. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Thank you for watching. I'm Steve Carr. We'll talk to you later.